So guys, when I tell you that this government is full of liars, but one thing they should do is sit down and agree the lies. Hamnisikiangi. Mi nikiwaambia these people should sit down na decide tunawadanganya aje. Sha inafanya kazi, sawa. Wanachukua microphone, sha inafanya kazi. Sha inafanya kazi. Like that. You don't listen. Let me show you the confusion that God, sent to the enemies of his people. Jesus between the two thieves. Ni jokes. Ati, one is saying Linda Mama was good, but Linda Jamii is obviously better. So which means Linda Mama has been replaced by Linda Jamii. Got it. Ule anatuambia aje, nobody has scrapped Linda Mama. Na anasema ukweli. And what's even funnier, the statements were said the same day, 30th September 2025, 30/09/2025. Kaeni chini, muagree. Mnataka kutudanganya aje na hizi tai zenyu za red. Wanakaa prefect wa high school. Anyway, one time, drain the swamp, and kindly follow me on Instagram. And register as a voter, bro.